Welcome. In this video we are going to learn VNC non-authentication scanner, which is VNC auxiliary module in Metasploit. The VNC non-authentication scanner, as its name implies, scans a range of hosts for VNC servers that do not have any authentication set on them. Let's open up terminal, type msf console. Let's load the module VNC non-authenticate. Type use auxiliary scanner VNC underscore non-authenticate. Type info. Here you can see that module information. Let's see basic options. Our host, the target address range or CIDR identifier. Our port, the target port by default 5900. That's a number of concurrent threads. Direct VMC server that support the non-authentication method. To run our scan, we simply set the our host and thread values and let it run. Set remote host as 192.168.0.13. Type set our host 192.168.0.13. Our host is set. Let's execute it. Here you can see in our scan result, we see that none of our target has wide open GUI access. So that's it in this video on VNC non-authentication scanner, VNC auxiliary module in Metasploit. Thank you for watching this video.